In this video, I want to explain the guest speaker series for this fall's class, Studio and Computing for Learning. The goal of this class is to give you some experience and expertise in new forms of technology, and especially with this consumer level computer-based resources, and exploring fabrication, robotics, electronic, and mobile programming resources, and to expand our toolkit past web-based applications to look at what are some of the other applications and kind of what's the future of computing and educational technology. So in order to do that, we will be using guest speakers throughout the fall, and the guest speakers part goes to your engagement grade in the class. So this is the engagement in course and preparation for meetings is where this comes out. So you will see in Blackboard under the guest speakers, you will see that there's a little bit of information about each person and what they will be speaking about. In Google Classroom, I've posted this document which outlines what day and time, who the person is, and what they're talking about. And what I'm asking is that you attend 3 of these sessions. And what you'll see is that I answer the question, what does it mean to attend? In an ideal world, I'd ask that you attend 3 synchronous meetings, just because I think you'll get much more out of it to interact live with the person. But I understand that your schedule may not allow that. So you may attend by watching the video recording. I will record all the sessions, and you may attend that way. What I've asked each person to speak about is kind of what their current work in education, how did they become involved in this sort of specialized area of technology, what does it have to do with learning and student agency, and then to get into some of the resources and how-to for getting started with this idea. I've asked each of the speakers to plan to talk for, that those questions, and I'll kind of guide those questions, that those will take 30 to 45 minutes, and then leave time for questions and answers. So if you are attending synchronously, that means that you'll join us at the scheduled time via Zoom. And if you select this option, you need to, in order to sort of get the engagement points here, you need to email me 2 questions that are specific for that presenter at least 2 hours prior to the event. If you need to watch the video and participate asynchronously, within 24 hours of the event, I will post the videos to Blackboard. And if you're doing the asynchronous option, you need to submit a written reflection about what you've learned, and including at least 2 specific connections between the presenter's comments and readings or videos from class. And it says this should be submitted on the bottom of your Google document where you are tracking your participation. So in Google Classroom, you each have a document like this that's associated with the assignment here. And and so for this, you'll check, did you attend synchronously or asynchronously? And then for the 3 required sessions, you'll just fill in this part here. I'll ask that you make 3 submissions of this same document. We won't make 3 different documents. And I've given you the deadlines here in Google Classroom, and then also in Blackboard are the same deadlines. And I'm so excited about the range of speakers we have. They bring a lot of expertise and will allow us to go in more depth with some of these tools, and also gather from them some of the lessons learned about teaching. So again, you can see here what the times are. I also will be sharing, and this is posted on the front page of Blackboard, the EdTech 207 calendar. And in that EdTech 207 calendar, you will be able to see the guest speakers and also get to the Zoom links from there. I also am launching an EdTech 207 Facebook group that you'll get an invitation to. There's no expectation that you participate there, but you will see events for the various speakers, because folks from beyond our class that are part of the master's program or our alumni community may also be interested in joining. And this is a wider sort of a wider way to encourage people to participate. So hope this helps you understand what the expectations are for the guest speaker assignment, and as always, be in touch with questions.